make quilling strips at home. For this, I am taking A4 size paper, color papers. The brand is Neon brand. It consists of 100 sheets and 10 colors. It used for craft and other methods. We have different colors. Now I am taking one paper. It should be not thin, not thick. Now I am taking tape and I am measuring the length and breadth. It breadth is 8.5 and it length is 8.5 and for length is level. Now we will see the quilling strip measurement. It is a 5 mm strip which is available in all craft stores and stationery shops. We will take one strip and we will measure. It is 18 centimeter, 17.5, nearly 18 centimeter. Now we have to take scale and pencil. Now for 5, we have taken 5 mm. For this we have to mark as shown in the video. Mark with pencil lightly. It is an easy process to make quilling strips at home. Complete it. This is 5 mm as shown in the video. We have to mark in the A4 size sheet and mark with scale. Repeat the process till how many strips you want. I have seen many videos like cutting with pasta maker and it is not works, but it is an easy way. Without money we can do it at home. Now cut it with scissor. Firstly it is very difficult, but slowly it will be easy method to you. Now strips are ready. Now you can cut 10 mm. You have to cut a double. Then you can have 10 mm strip. For 3 mm, take 5 mm strip and cut it into 2 pieces. You will get 3 mm strips as shown in the video. Now I am taking quilling strip and I am joining one strip. One strip is coming. Now I am taking A4 size color paper quilling strip. Add glue and make a tight coil. This color paper strip is less compared to the quilling strip, so we have 2 strips we have to take for one tight coil. And if you do not find any color papers, you can take A4 size papers which is available in all stationery shops and repeat the process. Here I am taking 10 mm and I am marking for 10 mm strips as shown in the video. It is the easiest way to cut quilling strips. Now mark the sheets. complete it and cut it. You can make toy coils in different ways, and later you have to paint it with acrylic colors. It will be look as if quilling strips made it. Add glue. Here another way, waste Xerox papers. This is also you can use for quilling. You have to mark same as way as shown in the previous. Here also using 5 mm. And mark the line. Here we can use waste Xerox papers, best of waste idea. Now cut it. Later we have to paint, but for Xerox paper we have to use dark colors for paint. Light colors will be not, it will be some difficult to see. Black marks will be shown in that. I am cutting 4 paper. Will be see like this. Now we have to make one tight coil. Here. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends.